What's going on, guys? Just started the renovation process. Guys, are there's something called value add, guys. Value add is something that you add to your real estate to increase the value and at the same time simultaneously increase the rents. So in this case, I'm increasing my rents. Right now, this is a one-bedroom unit. This is a one-bedroom unit, and I'm going to convert this to a two-bedroom. I've already done it before, and this is actually going to increase the value of my building, and it's going to increase the rents. Right now, I get like $1,300 in this area for one bedroom. When I convert this to a two-bedroom, I'm going to get around $1,700, guys, for this through Section 8. So it's a win-win for me, guys. So what you see right here is what my guys did was, this used to be closets. As you look at my earlier video, you can see that these were closets. We're actually going to put the kitchen on this wall right here. The kitchen is going to be on this wall. And I'll show you pictures, guys, and what it'll look like in another video, because we already did this before to another unit. So this is called value add. So I'm actually increasing the value of this building by increasing the bedroom size. Gotta watch my step. So, and this is going to be right here, guys. Excuse me, guys. Let me get through this. This is going to be the bedroom right here, guys. So all this is coming out right here, guys. That stove, the refrigerator, all that is coming out, guys. All that's coming. This is going to be the bedroom. It's going to be like a kid's bedroom. And this is going to be the main bedroom right here. As you guys can see, this is going to be the main bedroom. So we got the bathroom and everything. Boom. So the kitchen is going to be right here on this wall. Guys, so this is what you call value add. Is when you increase the value, increase the rents of a property by doing, excuse me, guys, by doing renovations. Yeah, kitchens can go right here. Boom. So all this is coming out, the furnace, the hot water heater, all this is coming out, guys. All this is coming out, and it's going on its back wall. This is going to be a bedroom. In DC, not necessarily in DC, but across the United States, 70 square footage is considered a bedroom. So as long as the bedroom is considered is more than 70 square foot, it's considered a bedroom. So here you guys go. Started the renovation, started the value add. You guys have any questions? Drop questions in the comment section. Like, subscribe, guys, because there's gonna be more coming. Like, subscribe, guys. What's going on, Elvis? This is my guy, Elvis. He's doing the renovations. Elvis, I bought you lunch, Elvis. Right there. Yeah. So yeah, guys. Like, subscribe. Hit that like button. Let me know what you guys think. Peace.